Making the management system work. The health and safety policy. In this section, an organization's occupational health and safety management system is implemented through its health and safety policy. The health and safety policy of an organization is an important document that sets out the organization's aims with regard to health and safety, who is responsible for achieving these aims, and how the aims are to be achieved. The policy has a role in the decision-making of both senior management, who formulate it, and other managers, who are required to implement it. A health and safety policy is usually presented in three parts: the general statement of intent, the organization section, and the arrangements section. The general statement of intent outlines the importance that the organization places on health and safety and the commitment that can be expected. It sets aims and objectives for the organization to achieve. It is signed by the person in overall control of the organization. The organization section highlights the roles and responsibilities that exist at all levels within the organization. It shows the lines of responsibility and accountability. The arrangements section provides the detail on how the organization manages health and safety. _circle. Bit outlines the general arrangements that relate to health and safety management and the specific arrangements that relate to individual health and safety topics and issues. Health and safety policies have to be reviewed in order to stay current and relevant.